Yo, what's up guys? I'm back here again. So nagbabalik na naman ako. Nag-start na tayo. Maglalaro ulit tayo ng Dunk City Dynasty. Let's go. Wala nang intro. Start na. Go. Gamit natin para si Paul George. PG-13.
The players take the court. The game is about to start.
Okay.
This match
You
will
know,
be broadcast
fashion icon
live
na naman
via
tayo.
Mino TV. Time for the tip-off. They got the chance to attack first. Step back shot
Bakaw ah.
hits the rim. Davis hard cover shoots with
Ay,
the
sorry,
defender on him.
guys.
Misses the contested shot.
Lah.
Shot blocked.
Ano yung double pump yun, diba?
Countdown. Mid-range shot. It's easy
Okay.
shot.
McCollum saving the day. Dito ka, no?
Drives in, creates
Ah.
space. He's looking for an open two-pointer.
Pasok din.
It's tied now.
Maano matindi laban dito ah. Iwan.
What
Wala.
a block by Nurkic. Pump fake. That's a fake shot. Steps
Ba't ka
back
step
and
back, boy?
shoots. Time's almost up. He missed it. Great
Ay,
defense.
nako. Nag...
Nice defense. It's wide open.
Ano ba yan?
Points. A
Bakaw
steady
may
shot.
column pre. Bakaw, pasok naman dyan.
Wide open.
Iwan. Baka pumupunta, boy.
The score is tied.
Nalilito-lito siya eh. Saan ba ito
Can't
pupunta?
get rid of the defense. Slam
Duyo.
dunk.
Parang may duga na to ang Jason Tatum nila. Uy.
Look at that ball handling.
Ano yun?
Shoots
Mag-recover
for
ka pa, wala akong
Stable
pakialam.
two-pointer. They've caught up with the other team.
Kahit anong recover mo, hindi ka makakahabol kay PG-13. Uy.
Dodges mid-air and goes
Kaso
for a
nga lang
layup.
sa... Ay,
Didn't
hindi ko
make
nanuwa.
that. Confident fadeaway. He's in the defender's
Pasok.
face. In his face.
Contested,
2
nakaiga
points.
na sa ere. Nurkic pa nga oh.
It's a tough three-pointer. Missed the contested three-pointer.
Naku po, talo na
Makes
kagad.
the crossover and shakes off the defender. Mid-range shot.
Paano tayo lahabol na ito, boys?
Steps
Naku po,
back,
tumira na
creates
naman
space,
ang bakaw
hits the
nating
rim.
kampe. Bakit? Okay lang.
Go big
Sige,
or
okay
go
lang.
home.
Talo na tayo. Wala na. Goodbye Philippines
Going for a
na.
double pump. The game is over now.
Wala man lang
Victory awaits
bantay.
in the next game.
Si isa pa. Si Marmar. Ay, si...
Are taking the court one after another. A big battle is
Pero
coming.
yung Marmar na yan.
This
Wala
match will be
yan.
broadcast live via
Kahit
Mino
naka-Jokic
TV.
pa yan.
Get ready for the tip-off.
Tip off. Okay, goods. Uy.
Contested two-pointer didn't make it.
Ay, kanila pa rin.
He's finishing with a
Duya.
layup. 2 points.
Bigyan mga bola sa akin. Okay. Bang!
Strong dunk.
360
2
dunk.
points. It's tied now.
Back Paul George.
The shot was
Contested
contested.
yan to. Oh, rebound yun naman. Ay, nako po.
Chance
Ay,
for a
nako.
three-pointer. That three-pointer hit the rim. Defender is guarding him closely. The shot was
Itibay
contested.
mo naman. Pre, ano yan? Wala na kayong ano?
Fake shot. There's no time left for them. What a tight defense. Shoots with the defender on him. He missed it. Great defense. Shifts the defense.
Iwan, sayang. Iwan na eh. Na-reconnect na eh.
He pulls up for a three-pointer. Missed. missed the contested three-pointer. Here comes a layup. Misses the shot.
Ano
He's
ba yan?
going for a layup.
Hindi
Shot
man lang kayo
from the post.
kumuha ng
Seems like
loose
no one
ball.
can stop him there.
Iwan lahat. Double pump.
From the inside,
Dalawa sumabay
they
eh.
are back to the same starting line. Keep it up. He's shooting
Naku po,
from
pasok na.
downtown. It's too far. No way he can make it. Can he make this
Pasok.
open three? Lands the
Dang.
three-pointer with ease.
Piano na lang oh. Mag-piano na lang tayo dito.
It's not the best shot. Misses the contested shot. It's not the best
Laging
shot.
contested.
Hits the rim.
Sumabay ka pa. Boom!
Possible.
Sabay pa,
How did
boy.
he make that?
Yun oh. Tinutugtugan lang ito. Listening to my music. Nagulat rin siya eh. Hindi siya mapakani.
He's looking for an open two-pointer. Makes the shot.
Hindi siya
Decisive
makapaniwala sa aking ginawa. Sa panga... Sayang.
The defender can't keep up. It's
Ay,
a tough
wala na.
three-pointer. It's hard to make that shot with such defense.
Boom! Sinalaksak eh.
Take in the fanfare.
Mag-dynasty naman tayo. Dynasty. Etong dynasty na to, ako magko-control yung tatlong yan. Pero isa-isa lang. Yes. Uy. Step bro. Gara ng pangalan nito, Step bro.
Game is about to start. This match will be broadcast live via Mebo TV.
Maliligo nga kayo ng tres ngayon.
It's time for the tip-off.
Blah. Saan yung bullet niyan?
And they've got the ball first. Shakes
Sabi
off
sa'yo
the
eh.
defender. Great dribbling.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Three-pointer in the
Sumabay ka
defender's
pa,
face.
contested.
Three-pointer's good. Stephen Curry tries to show up his brother.
Si Seth Curry pa pala tong kalaban ko. Kapatid ko pa to ah. Ay!
He's got a dunk.
Posterize.
Steph Curry. Monster jam.
Na-posterizean pa tayo.
Looks like someone just stepped on a slippery spot.
Bang!
He
Posterize.
crashes over the
Yes.
defender and makes the
Ang
dunk.
kagantihan na kita ng post. Start pa lang o mainit na kagad carry ko. Step ko.
Pump fake. Adams.
Di gagana yan. Di gagana yan sa step ko. Uy, iwan. Iwan sa akin to.
He shoots
Ay,
a
naku po.
guarded three-pointer. Missed
Guard.
the contested three-pointer.
Guardian 3-pointer.
Defender is guarding him closely. That's not a good shot.
Ito ang Apple George.
Shoots a three-pointer. Great defense.
Iwasan yung
The
center
shot
ko.
was interrupted.
Nawala ah.
Confident fadeaway.
Pagpasok
He's in the
yan.
defender's face. Misses the contested shot.
Hindi yung pasok.
He's finishing with a
Ay.
layup. Fournier.
Ay,
Another
ay.
shot. They need more
Ayos
defense
na,
over the
ayos
rim.
na. Umupo na ako. Iwan.
Three-pointer from outside.
Bang.
Nails the three-pointer.
Ako pa.
No mercy.
Stephen Curry to. Supalpal.
Shakes off the defender. Great dribbling. He pulls up for a three-pointer. Missed the contested three-pointer.
Nasabay sa akin to. Masasabayin ko to.
Takes the chance.
Bang. Sumabay ka
He's
pa.
on fire.
Kiss. Kiss my lips. Kiss my
That's a big shot. Adams.
supalpal
That's a
na
loud
naman.
block. It's
Lagi
wide
ko
open.
supalpal.
2 points. Fournier. A steady shot.
Napaulanan ko kayo ng tres pre.
Chance
Pasok
for a
na.
three-pointer.
Nice.
Nice three-pointer.
Sabi ko sa inyo, papaulan ko kayo ng tres. Puro tres ang matatanggap nyo ngayon. Tatlo. Ay,
Shoots for 2 points.
Nako.
Fournier, an easy
drip shot. Tokyo drip.
Look at that ball handling. A Deep
Sumabay po,
three-pointer.
harap-harapan, oh. Tinirahan, harap-harapan. Walang nagawa.
Pull back three-pointer. Can he make this open three-pointer?
Siyempre,
Steph
open,
Curry
eh.
lands a three-pointer. He was wide open.
Kunwari dito po sabay crossover, sabay bang!
No defenders on him. Three-pointer. His shot blocked. It's
Ay,
Steph Curry.
supalpal.
Rejected.
Sorry po.
He shoots a guarded
Guard
three-pointer.
yan.
The gap is wide, and they don't have much
Kaya
time
nga, eh.
left. Three-pointer in the defender's face. Great
Sayang.
defense. The shot was interrupted. Looks like someone just stepped on a
Bang.
slippery spot. Curry, great shot. They can't leave him open like that. Whoa, what a block!
Supalpal.
Confident finish blocked. 4, 3, 2, 1. Curry makes a quick shot.
Bang.
He gets the ball. You're gonna pay for it if you leave him that open.
Bilis nun.
That's
Sablay.
the end of the game. You
Paano ba
won.
yan? So that's it guys. Doon na nagtatapos ang ating pakikipagbakbakan sa basketball. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking pagbabalik. Sa nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to subscribe, post sa notification para ma-update kayo sa mga paparating na video ko. Bye!